Hey YouTubers, welcome to my channel. My name is Marlo, and I want to give a special shout out and thank you to my 1,000 subscribers for subscribing to my channel. Without you guys liking, commenting, engaging, and coming back and watching my videos, I would not been able to do it without you guys. This is an accomplishment. I just got a letter in the mail by Google AdSense to be a part of the YouTube partner program. And this is an accomplishment, guys, to get 1,000 subscribers and over 4,000 watch time hours is difficult. It is hard, but through time, it can become easy. And I'm gonna give you 3 reasons why YouTube growth can be hard, but easy through time, guys. So my channel is a DIY home improvement channel. So my goal is to help you conquer your home, right, guys? This is my channel. So throughout my channel, you will always get special advice and secrets to live your life in your home and conquer your home, guys. So I want to start off with that. So 3 reasons, and I'm gonna give you a special bonus tip at the end of this video. And this is for those people who probably want to start a YouTube channel and they came upon a barrier, and I'm gonna share my special barriers that I had confronted while starting my journey on YouTube. So I remember my first reason how it became hard was actually uploading my video. I recorded my video and on my phone, and via cable I connected my phone, the cable to the computer, and it took forever just to upload that video. I was like, oh my gosh, this is taking too long. So what I found out was upload your video to the cloud on your phone. I use Microsoft Edge. And once you upload your video on your phone via the cloud, then you go to your computer and transfer that video to an editing software program. And that's what makes it easy uploading videos. All right, guys, the second reason how things can get hard, but easy through time, you need to learn that not all of your videos are going to go viral. Not all of your videos are going to go viral. Videos are seasonal. And let me give you an example. If you create a video about gardening, right, in the winter time, not too many people are looking up gardening in the winter. So certain videos are viral during certain months, and you need to understand that. And one way how you can do your research is use Google Trends. You use Google Trends, you put in your niche on what type of video you want to upload, and it will tell you what months people are actually looking for those keywords. And keywords are very important. So know that not all of your videos are going to go viral or trending, guys. So the third reason how things can be hard, but you learn and can become easy, is search engine optimization, guys. And this is what people look up when they go on YouTube. You need to learn on how to use keywords in your titles. And not only that, right off when you first start your video, use those keywords that you used in your title, in your speech, when you talk in your video. And YouTube recognizes that. They recognize the words that you say, and they know that you know exactly what you're talking about. And that's what helps make your videos go out more into the algorithm and YouTube to share your video. Because when you know exactly what you're talking about, people like, comment, and engage and listen to your video for a longer period of time. And YouTube keeps track of all that stuff, guys. So another thing that I learned through my journey creating my YouTube channel is a lot of these software programs, they allow you to use music, right? And I was like, oh yeah, I'll use music in my video to keep people more engaged. But a lot of these music that you use is copyright. So my advice to you, do not use copyright music. If you want to use music, upload your video and then use YouTube's music. That way there's no violation on your video. When there's no violation on your video, guess what? YouTube's gonna shoot your video out more often, guys. So that's my special tip to you guys. These are the hardships that I had to go through, and I want you to have a shortcut and not to make the same mistakes I did. So thank you for watching my channel, guys, and I'll see you guys again. Goodbye.